This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So this is the OBD connector which we are going to use, and as we discussed in our previous section, there are three main places where you can find this OBD port: under the dashboard, near the driving seat, or right beneath the steering. So my OBD port is located right beneath the steering. So let me connect this OBD connector with my OBD port. So it's over here. So it's connected, and we only need CAN high and CAN low wires. So let me just bring these wires over here, and let me just do it like this. And this is my CAN high wire, and this is the CAN low wire. So this is the device which we also created in the previous section. So we are going to connect the CAN high with the CAN high wire, and this is the Arduino Uno version of the device. So let me connect CAN high with the CAN high, and CAN low with CAN low, like this. And now we are going to connect this device. Let me just put it over here and bring my laptop. So we are going to connect this device with this laptop. So let me zoom. Let's just clear out. So let's just connect this device. Let's just keep it here. Let me just connect it like this. So the device is connected, and let's just connect it with our Kali machine as well. So this is the device, and let's just do sudo dmessage. Let's just type the password. So over here you can see USB TTY USB 0. So this device is connected. Now what we have to do is we have to create the CAN0 interface. So these are the commands which we used in our previous course, right? So these are the commands which we are going to use. Let's just clear out, and I will provide these commands in the resources file, so you can check out these commands. So let me just type the command. Let's just do it with sudo sl can attach and -f -s4 and then -0, and then we have to type the name tty div-tty USB 0. Let's just hit enter, and let's just do sudo slcand, and with capital S we have to provide the baud rate, which is 1120 or 5200. So if you remember this baud rate, we use the same baud rate during the programming of this Arduino device, right? And again we have to type the div and tty USB 0, and then we have to type the CAN0 interface. And let's just do if config tx q length to increase the transmission length, and let's just hit enter, and we have to use this command with the sudo as well. So first we have to use tx can0 can0 tx queue length 1000, and then what we have to do is we have to bring our interface up. If config can0 up. Now let's just do if config can0, and let's just see. So our interface is up and running. Now let's just clear out, and now let's just go in the carrying caribou tool to test out this tool with the real car. So let's just do cd carrying caribou and tools, and over here we have a script cc.py. Let's just do help to check all the options. So over here you can see, let's just start with the dump. So let's just do cc.py, and let's just do simple dump, and let's just hit enter. And over here you can see we are getting an error, and this error says we don't have a interface connected with carrying caribou. So if you remember from our carrying caribou section, we created a file on the root directory with CAN0 with the name of CAN0. So let's just open this file one more time, and over here you can see channel is vCAN0. So we were using virtual CAN interface, but now we have created the actual CAN interface. So we just have to remove it, and we can call it CAN0 interface, right? Because right now we are using the actual interface. Let's just do save, and let's just check out file one more time. So now we are using CAN0 interface. Let's just clear out. So let's just do cc dump one more time. So cc dump, and let's just start the car. So over here you can see all the packets coming, and over here you can see CAN0 interface which is up and running. So let me do Control C. Thank you.